All right, good morning everybody. We're out here today in Fort Pierce on the flats. We're trying to pull some snook. Got some mullet up here on the flats, pushed up. Here, let me stop right here. Got Captain Daisy, my girlfriend Julie, throwing NLBNs, just like the last time. Little mullets, weedless hook, no weight. Got 30-pound fluro. Broke off on 2 giants last time. So on the what were we using? I was using 20, right? On 20. That's just because the water is real clear. I was sight fishing for reds, so it was a little different. But yeah, we bumped it up to 30. I'm not gonna lose any more 30-pound fish. Not 30-pound, 30-inch fish, my bad. Yeah, so we're gonna get after it. We're gonna work this shoreline right here, work our way up. There's a nice little oyster bar, kind of get up in here on the backside, and then the water is a little murk here, but in like the channel, I guess you could call it, is a lot cleaner. So we're gonna hit these grass flats, throw these baits around, work it early this morning till it starts getting real hot. Today's gonna be a hot one. Then we're gonna get our way out to the cooler water, cleaner water, maybe fish down underneath the surface a little bit. Just want to say real quick, using the Bulls Bay Banshee. Been using this rod for a little while now. Love it, absolutely love this rod. I mean, I've fished everything from St. Croix to G. Loomis, all the good stuff, and this rod's kind of outdoing them, I will say. Not sponsored by them or anything, but the medium heavy, so I got a 7.4. I think they make a 7.10, so I got the 7.4, 10 to 17 pound medium heavy, extra fast. That tip is just, it's amazing. I mean, you can feel everything, good action in the rod, a lot of backbone to pull the snook out. I will say it's a little light for the big snook. I'll probably get the little heavier rod next time, just for when I'm fishing like live baits maybe. But this rod is amazing. You guys should check them out. I know they make the sniper, that's like next level up. And I'm not too familiar with the rest of the line, but yeah, check them out. Check the Banshee rod out. It's one of the lower ends. I think it's like 189. I think that's their lowest end rod, I believe. I'm not sure, but yeah, check them out. Come on. Damn. Come on. There he is. Come on. Man. Oh. Hmm? Ooh! Got him! Oh, damn! No, dude. Oh. That's frustrating. That is frustrating because I did everything right. I hit that tree, I brought it out. Oh man, that sucks. Damn, come on. Give me another one. Daisy girl, you gotta sit, baby. There he is, there's another one. Eat it. Got him, got him, got him. Stuck him. Got him again. This side is loaded with snook. Man, that other one was bigger. This is the little one. When he came up and he spit it, I saw the other one behind him. Almost looked like he was trying to eat it, but oh man, that's amazing. That's nice. Come here, little guy. Gotcha. All right. Got that NLBN right in the corner. Stuck in that time. Last time I had a little too much slack in the line. Little snook. See you, buddy. All right. Yeah, that last time I had too much slack. Fray me up a little bit. I'm gonna have to retie. Cast by that tree that's in the water. That's where both of them came from.
Look, little crabby right here.
Crab? Hey everybody, back out here on the flats. We're gonna target snook, hopefully maybe get a red. Definitely gonna start with snook this morning. Well, it's kind of a late start. It is currently 10 o'clock, one of the latest starts I've ever had, but it's all right, we're gonna do it, we're gonna make do. There's fish blowing up everywhere on mullet, so that's a good sign. There's a lot of bait back here on the flats still, which brings predators, big snook, reds. There's a whole bunch of mullet right here, as you can see. Nice school of mullet. I actually kind of want to get some live bait today as well. Man, look, there's two schools meeting right there. Look at that. Man, if I threw the net on them. Try and throw NLBN to start. So we're going to throw the NLBN little mullet, or mini mullet. I think this is mini mullet. Gonna throw that around. I got 30-pound fluro on, using the Bulls Bay Banshee, medium heavy, extra fast. Got the Diawa BG MQ 3000. I got suffix 832 coastal camo, 10-pound braid. It's a solid setup. I've caught really good snook on this setup. This rod with the medium heavy, it actually has enough backbone to really pull those snook out. But if you go less than like 30-pound on your leader, obviously you can fray off. But 30, I even went up to 40 the other day because there was a lot of big snook on the flat, and they were all pushing over like 32 inches upper slot or over slots. So I kind of wanted to get those snook in. Broke off on 2 and got a few in. So 30 is kind of like the sweet spot for today. If I hook into a big one, you know, it's just gonna, if I break off, it is what it is, but hopefully we get them in. But yeah, I'm gonna start pitching up. There's a nice drop off here. It's kind of how it's gonna be. This is more like a deeper channel. Gonna kind of swing around. This island kind of goes around. Swing up in there, fish this whole cut, and see what we can do. I know this area holds a lot of fish, holds a lot of good snook. So let's get out there. Let's see what we can get. All right, guys, the camera died because the camera got hot. Well, the camera got too hot and shut off. Just came across this little point right here, hooked into this monster trout. This might be my PB right here for sure. It's a big one. Definitely a nice trout. Man, that's a big one. Smoked the NLBN. Smoked it. Watch out, Daisy girl. All right, I'm gonna net this fish. I got a rubber net, so doesn't hurt the slime. But I just don't want this fish to get bruised up. Wow, that is a nice trout. Watch out, Daisy. Off, girl. Oh my God, look at that trout. Man, that is a beautiful fish right there. All right, I'm gonna try and get a quick picture. We'll get a measurement, and then we'll get this baby back in the water. I don't want to keep her out too long. Look at that trout. That is a beautiful trout. Beautiful trout. 25 inches. Crushed at NLBN. This is a beautiful fish. This is my personal best here on the flats. 25 and a half. To me, this is considered a gator. I'm gonna get this one back in the water. There she goes. Sorry I didn't get that release on that fish. It's just when you got a nice fish like that, I don't want to keep it out of the water too long. I mean, it was already out of the water for maybe like 2 minutes, so took right off though. Fish is healthy. Didn't get a lot of the slime off, which really tends to hurt those fish. So that fish is gonna go produce more little trouts, keep boosting the population. Well, that was a great start to the day. There's been a lot of snook blowing up on these mullets, but it's few far in between. I scared one snook earlier this morning while I was trying to get live bait, but couldn't get any live bait, so I'm just gonna stick with the NLBN for now, the soft plastic, and we'll go from there. Daisy girl, you all right? All right, let's get back to it. All right, guys, made a move, came up north a little bit from where I was, found some of these spoil islands I haven't fished. I haven't fished yet, ever, so gonna check some of these out, fish around them. There's a few cuts back here in the backwater, see if we can't find a channel and get back there. I know it's really skinny. It's pretty shallow, so it's hard to get in there, but let's see what we can do. Water looks really good, it's clean. Alright guys, I don't know what this is. It's probably a jack. But whatever. I mean, this smoked it. Yeah, it's a jack. It has to be. It's just going down. It's weird. Yeah, it's a jack. Hailed it. Daisy, stop, girl. Oh, he took my NLBN. He took my bait. What the heck? Jack. What? How does that happen? That's crazy. I haven't had that happen yet. Well, there you go. Jack. Fun to catch. There it is. All right, let's do it again. Oh, got him. Oh, yep. That's gonna be one right there. That's a good one. Yep. Man, he smoked that thing. Look, there's another one right there too. Whoa. There we go. That's what we were looking for. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Come here. Come on, bro. Man. There we go. Come on. Let's get out of here. Uh-oh, my line's wrapped around the gills. No, that's not good. Oh, there we go. Shoo! Don't throw me off. Come on. Come here. Yeah, buddy. Nice snook. Really nice snook. Come on. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. There we go. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. NLBN. Oh, I had him double hooked. Double hooked. Shoo! Almost right through. Wow. Look at that line. Alright, guys. Nice 29.5-inch snook on the NLBN. Little mullet. Solid fish. Really good snook. Sitting right up. We got good current going through here. Really deep drop off, deep mangroves. Water's pretty clean. I saw it, threw at it on the second time. Watch out, Daisy girl. On the second time, she came up, smoked the NLBN. All right, let's get her back. There she goes.
ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky.